infant. Apple cider vinegar has been studied for supporting insulin response and moderating sugar spikes. Chia seeds provide soluble fiber that may help slow glucose absorption.
Lemon adds vitamin C and may support balanced digestion.
Fenugreek contains fiber compounds that may help slow sugar absorption.
Bitter gourd has traditionally been used to support blood sugar balance.
Cinnamon may help improve insulin sensitivity when part of a balanced diet. Turmeric contains curcumin, studied for anti-inflammatory support.
These foods can support overall health, but managing diabetes should always involve professional medical guidance.